Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. In this video, we'll prove two trigonometry identities. Let's start with the first one. Tan x plus cotangent x equals secant x times cosecant x. As you may know, we prove a trigonometry identity by making one side equal to the other side. We work on the more complicated side and use standard identities and different types of algebraic operations to make one side equal to the other side. In this first identity, the left side is more complicated because we can do more mathematical operations on the left side. So let's start with the left side, tan x plus cotangent x. The first step is to use the identities for tan x and cotangent x. The identity for tan x is sin x over cos x. The identity for cotangent x is cos x over sin x. We use these identities for tan x and cotangent x to break them down into sine and cos ratios because the expression on the right side has secant x and cosecant x, and we know that secant and cosecant ratios are reciprocal ratios for sine and cos. Now we can add these two fractions. We have to find a common denominator. The common denominator is sin x cos x. We should multiply the first fraction by sin x in the numerator and denominator. And we should multiply the second fraction by cos x in the numerator and denominator. I get sin square x over sin x cos x plus cos square x over sin x cos x. Now these fractions have the same denominator, so we can combine them into a single fraction. As per the Pythagorean identity for sine and cos, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. We can write 1 over sin x cos x as 1 over sin x times 1 over cos x. The reciprocal ratio for sine is cosecant, so we can write 1 over sin x as cosecant x. The reciprocal ratio for cos is secant, so we can write 1 over cos x as secant x. Cosecant x times secant x is equal to cosecant x secant x, which can also be written as secant x cosecant x, because in multiplication order does not matter. This is the expression on the right side of the given identity, so we have proved that left side is equal to right side. So we have proved the first identity. Now we can prove the second identity. Sin x plus cos x times cotangent x equals cosecant x. In this identity, the left side is more complicated because there are multiple terms on the left side, so we can do more mathematical operations on the left side. So let's start with the left side. The first step is to use the identity for cotangent x. We can write it as cos x over sin x. Next, we can multiply cos x by cos x over sin x. The denominator of cos x is 1. We multiply fractions by multiplying their top terms and the bottom terms. I get cos square x over sin x. We have to find a common denominator. The denominator of sin x is 1. The common denominator is sin x. So we should multiply sin x over 1 by Sin x in the numerator and denominator. I get sin square x over sin x plus cos square x over sin x. Now these fractions have the same denominator. We can combine them into a single fraction. As per the Pythagorean identity for sine and cos, sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, and 1 over sine x is equal to cosecant x, because cosecant is the reciprocal ratio for sine. So we got the expression on the right side of the given identity. Therefore, left side is equal to the right side. We have proved the second identity. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to prove these identities. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.